Hey travelers, planning a trip to Halong Bay? With so many cruise options, it can be hard to choose. Here are the top 10 best Halong Bay cruises to help you out. Let's dive in. First up, the Mon Cheri Cruise. It just won the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice 2024, and for good reason. All cabins are incredibly spacious, featuring private balconies and luxurious bathtubs, where you can relax and enjoy the view. The cruise also caters to a variety of dietary preferences, especially halal food, ensuring every guest feels at home. When it comes to relaxation, Mon Cheri has a mini golf, a jacuzzi pool, a bar and a gym, enough to help you unwind. The itinerary is another highlight, taking you to Halong Bay for 2 to 3 days. The area is quieter, less crowded than Halong Bay, ideal for a peaceful and luxurious getaway. With over 5,700 reviews on TripAdvisor and 90% rated excellent, Orchid Classic Cruise definitely deserves a spot in the top 5. You'll enjoy generously sized cabins with private balconies and bayview bathtubs, plus modern amenities like set menu dinners, a spa, and a bar. What really sets it apart, though, is the wide range of off-board activities. While following the same Halong Bay route, you'll stay busy with kayaking, swimming, cave exploring, and even a visit to a local village, a big plus for active travelers. At over $200 per person, Capella Cruise offers a fantastic value for what you get. The cabins are spacious with incredible bay views, and there's no shortage of things to do on board, from a fitness center and pool to a spa, and even a cigar and poker club. The itinerary is packed with activities, and the 4-day option lets you explore both Halong Bay and Halong Bay. Notably, it's one of the few cruises with a water slide and a traditional tea ceremony, a perfect mix of adventure, culture, and natural beauty. If you're looking for a deluxe experience without the hefty price tag, Peony Cruise is your sweet spot. The cabins may be small, but they're all cozy and well-designed. Each boasts a private balcony and bayview bathtub. Besides, you'll have access to great amenities like a spa, jacuzzi, and bar, enough to enjoy on a 2 to 3 day trip. The itinerary, on the other hand, is well-organized, striking the right balance of activities and relaxation. At just around $150 per person, it's ideal for experiencing Halong Bay in style without all the extra frills. Grand Pioneers Cruise is a brand new super yacht that sets the bar for opulence. On board, you can relax by the swimming pool, sip cocktails at the sky bar, or enjoy wine from the cellar. There's even a 3D golf club, mini cinema, and a kids club, perfect for every traveler. All cabins come with modern amenities and breathtaking bay views. Meanwhile, the owner suites provide an expansive 150 square meters of space and sweeping vistas, enhancing the sense of luxury. Off-board, the 3-day itinerary takes you to the peaceful Halong Bay, far away from the crowds. Also on the Halong route, Swan Cruise is an incredible value at just around $130 per person. It offers a unique experience with cozy cabins and a peaceful vibe. Running since 2015, the cruise is well kept and has everything you need for a comfortable stay. With only 18 cabins, it feels extra intimate. You'll explore the quiet corners of Halong Bay through a wide range of activities. Plus, enjoy delicious home-cooked Vietnamese meals, making for a truly cozy, personal experience. Back in Halong Bay, if you're looking for a simple yet enjoyable experience, Hermes Cruise is a great choice. The cruise is perfect for first-time visitors, offering highlights in Halong Bay like Sung Sat Cave and Tai Top Island. As it's a 5-star, you'll find comfortable cabins and all the essentials for relaxation, including a spa, bar, jacuzzi, and private bathtub. Plus, Hermes is a newly launched cruise, so you can expect everything to be well-maintained. With everything it offers, it's the perfect balance of comfort, luxury, and exploration. Since 2018, Ambassador Cruise has been a top favorite. Its cozy cabins with wooden interiors and beautiful bay views are perfect for a peaceful retreat. Every evening, guests enjoy a Michelin-quality dinner with live music, creating an intimate atmosphere. In addition to a pool, lounge, and spa, the cruise features a modern elevator, ensuring convenience for all guests. Heritage Binh Chuan stands out with its stunning design, reflecting traditional Vietnamese charm. On board, you'll find 20 cabins, 3 bars, 2 restaurants, a pool, and an art gallery, all highlighting the rich historical and cultural heritage of Vietnam. Guests can also enjoy a royal-themed Vietnamese dinner with traditional music, offering a unique glimpse into the country's culture. Lastly, we have Sena Cruise, a cozy ship with just 16 cabins, perfect for a private, peaceful getaway. The decor blends traditional Vietnamese and French styles, creating a unique, charming atmosphere. The itinerary focuses on the quiet, less crowded parts of Halong Bay, offering a serene escape for those looking to relax and enjoy a more intimate journey. There you have it, 10 incredible cruises for every traveler. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Happy cruising!